Last time I tried baking bread for the first time and this happened. This time I'm putting your suggestions to the test, so let's go. Okay, let's take some ingredients. For the yeast, we're gonna need a smaller bowl and a warm water. Also, we need a yeast and sugar. Okay, let's put yeast in the bowl. Let's also put some wheat and some sugar. Let's mix this. Some of you pointed out that I didn't put sugar in the yeast and that yeast needs sugar to grow. So that's why I added sugar now. So let's put warm water and after that let's mix this again. And now let's wait. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed and the yeast look like this. Last time the yeast maybe was old, so that's why maybe it didn't grow as much as it should. So this time people in the comments told me that I should use 4:3 ratio. That means 4 cups of flour to 3 cups of water. So let's do that. Okay, so now I need 3 cups of warm water.
One hour later.
Okay, let's see if it rose. It looks bigger, but it still doesn't seem like it did what it should do. Well, because it's sticky, I don't want to knead it because I will make a mess. So I'll just put it in the tray and bake it like that. Okay, we're gonna need a baking paper to place under the dough. Okay, now I have to put it in the oven. Last time I put it on too high of temperature, so I got a nice crust, but inside was still alive. So now I will put it on the lower temperature, maybe 180 degrees, and let's hope for the best. The bread has been baking for about hour and a half by now. It should be done. Let's check it. This seems about done. Let's get it out.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. It's softer than last time.
It tastes like bread. It's actually not so bad.
Not that I would eat this on a more regular basis, but the crust is not rock hard and inside is also not so hard, but it's still not cooked enough. It's still a little bit alive inside. What would you give it out of 10?
5.
5?
Yeah.
I'd also give it like a 5. Yeah, I think the 5 is okay grade. So again, it's a fail. It's still not a 6, but we are going up in the grade. I will try and make an 8 once, but let's hope for that.
This still isn't a good bread, but I'm getting there. If you saw any mistakes I've made, tell me in the comments and I will use them in the next attempt. Goodbye.